Step inside this breathtaking million luxury home in the heart of Austin, Texas. This modern masterpiece features high-end finishes, expansive open spaces, and floor-to-ceiling windows that showcase stunning city and hill country views. With a gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathrooms, and a resort-style backyard, this home is a true dream. From the sleek architectural design to the state-of-the-art amenities, this property offers the perfect blend of elegance and comfort. Don't miss this exclusive tour. Whether you are a real estate enthusiast, a dreamer, or just love exploring luxury living, this tour will leave you speechless. Home features include state-of-the-art technology, designer interiors, spacious outdoor entertainment areas, and so much more. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe for more epic mansion tours and luxury real estate content. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite part of this dream home. Watch till the end, and subscribe for more luxury home tours.